and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this text reveal sort of effect on CapCut PC. So just select the video and copy and paste it, and on the second video you're going to want to select cutout and select auto cutout. So like here, I guess it's where it's going to start cutting out. So let's just delete that. Okay, there you go. And you're going to want to start here, and then as the person walks, it's going to start revealing the text. It's better if they walk sideways. This is a little bit more tricky because I do have to move the text going like this way, but like it's fine. Go to text, add in your default text. I'm just going to type in something like walking. Also going to change the font of it as well. Maybe, okay, like that. I think we can do it though, so let's just try it. And I'm going to make the text a little bit smaller. I'm going to put it here, kind of. There you go. So what we are going to do, actually it's better if the person's on the left as well, because words go from like left to right, but I guess it's fine. Or you can like select these two and mirror it like that. So the W will show up first. Okay, so let's start like here. Then right click on the text, okay? And then select create compound clip. Then we are going to mask it. So select split and do it this way, so 90 degrees, and I'm going to put it here. You're going to also want to put it behind the video instead of in front of it, and we're going to add in a keyframe here. So once this person starts moving, you are going to start showing letters little by little. So just move the line. You don't have to add in more keyframes because CapCut will already do that for you. And lastly we have the G. If you are more patient than I am, you can like move it frame per frame, sorry, but that's really it. As you can see, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.